Wala yung aso, B. Natakot yung aso. I'm not a fan of matcha. Pupunta din tayo ng Sunday Market. Napakaraming Jolly Jeep dito. Good morning, guys! It's been a while since our last vlog here. Partly because I've been busy with work. And then pangalawa, hindi naman ako lagi nagta-travel. So, wala akong mai-feature sa inyo. Pero, syempre, this channel is supposed to be sharing, you know, my adventures, my day-to-day life, any recommendations that I can share with you. So, today, dadalhin ko kayo and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung ginagawa ko usually every Sunday. I'm going to show you around Makati. Kung ano yung mga pwede nyo gawin dito, ano yung mga pwedeng kainan, and just chill and relax. So, yun lang. So, may mga pauwi na from jogging, tsaka bicycle. Kasi every Sunday, itong area na to, yung stretch ng Ayala, stretch ng Paseo and Makati up, sinasara yun for the runners and yung mga nagba-bicycle. Until 10 a.m. lang siya kin-close, and then after that, open na siya sa mga cars. It's actually called Car Free Sundays in Makati. Sometimes may mga fun run, pwede kayong mag-join. If hindi naman kayo mag-join ng fun run, okay lang. Kasi pwede naman kayo jog on your own. Mag-jog sana ako kaso late ako nagising today. The perfect time to jog here in Makati or Ayala is around mga 7 to 8 a.m. Kasi 9 a.m. medyo mainit na. And lalo ngayon summer, grabe, pang heat stroke levels yung init. By the way, I'm here in Ayala North Exchange. Watami, Japanese Dennis. Look at this view. Dito tayo dadaan sa De La Rosa ngayon kasi ang init, B. Sobrang init talaga as in. And to think it's already 10 a.m. pa lang. So yung Car Free Sundays, it's from I think 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then, pag 10 a.m., ito yung mangharang dito, yan. Bubuksan na nila yan for all the cars. Ito, peri-peri, wala na. Kumakain din kami dyan before. Sarap. Sulit yung chicken. Busog na busog. Then, Boteju, okay din. Minsan may mga card promo sila. Modern Shanghai is also good. Chinese food. It's just that pag lunchtime, punuan sila. Alam mo what I love about Makati? Yung mga facilities nila dito and areas nila dito. It's nice to walk around kasi there are so many underpass, overpass, tsaka mga walkways na katulad nito. Nakasilong kayo, tapos maayos tingnan, hindi naman madilim na parang sketchy place na akala mo may manggigripo sa'yo sa gilid, yung mga ganong bagay ba? Charay! Oh, Blake's Steaks. Ito usually mahaba pila at night. Pero tignan mo, during the day, walang pila. Like, if you wanna try Blake's Wings and Steak, I suggest you come here earlier, like mga around 7 to 10, I guess. Yun, wala masyadong pila. And there's also Hungry Neighbors, which I haven't tried yet. So, I'm not sure kung ano ba yung meron sila dito. Ito tart ko. Oh my God. You should try this, promise. Tart ko. Masarap yung egg tart nila or yung cheesecake egg tart. Better to order earlier or pwede kayo mag-online order. Check nyo sa IG nila. Cheesecake egg tart. Ayan yung masarap. Masarap din yung egg tart if you want something na ano lang, na light, not too sweet, and not too creamy. This for, hindi ko pa siya na-try. Ito lang yung dalawa, cheesecake tsaka egg tart. Masarap. 140 yata or something. You can order online. Pwede nyo naman na pick upin na lang, ganun. Para at least masecure nyo talaga siya. Kasi minsan nagkakaubusan. Lalo kapag mga hapon kayo pumunta. Meron sila yung mga mini tart din. Kung ayaw nyo naman ng malaki, gusto nyo itry muna yung maliliit. You have to order it advance or better come early para at least may maabutan talaga kayo. Let's go to the matcha bar. Ito, di ko sure kung makakaupo tayo or makakabili tayo kasi laging punuan. Ilang beses na siya na-feature ng mga influencers. Siyempre, alam nyo naman, pag nati-TikTok na or na-feature na sa Instagram, madami nang pumupunta. Yan, this is Matcha Bar. They're open 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. daily. Surprisingly, hindi siya punuan today. Ayan, may mga malalaking tables if you're going here with your friends. Dalawahan lang pala kayo or solo, you can just sit here at the bar. Tapos panoorin nyo how they make the matcha.
For to go 270.
They have also, ano to? Matcha cheesecake.
Matcha raspberry cake.
Tapos they have pastries din pala. Cookies, ito, brownies, asami, iba't ibang klase ng matcha. Napakarami naman. Akala ko like matcha is just one lang. Ang dami pala niyang varieties. So this is what they ordered for 270 pesos. Dapat siguro pinalagyan ko ng sugar. But if you're into matcha, yung bitter taste nila talaga, it's fine. I think I'm not a fan of matcha. I just had to try it for the curiosity, for the vlog. Pero give ko talaga na aesthetic yung cafe nila, yung taste nila. Like you can hang out with your friends, catch up kayo doon. 'Di ba? Ang ganda ng ambience nung cafe nila. Instagrammable yung mga spots, except that if it's crowded or jam-packed. Also, the hygiene of the staff, as in kita mo talaga from head to toe na sobrang protected and covered yung mga skin and hair nila na para hindi mapunta dun sa pagkain. Mas mukha pa sila mas malinis sa akin. Okay lang. So, for me. Okay naman siya. Tinake out ko na dahil pupunta din tayo ng Sunday markets. Aside from the cafe hopping and yung the car-free Sundays na pwede kayong mag-jogging, walking, bicycle, meron din silang Sunday market. Pag Saturday, it's in Salcedo Park, yung market. And then pag Sunday, nandito siya sa may Legazpi Park. Kung gusto niyo na mas malaki and mas maraming choices, you can go in Salcedo Park every Saturday. Pero kung hindi naman kayo pwede na Saturday, kasi syempre, minsan we do our errands every weekends eh. Like, maglalaba, maglilinis. And if Sunday lang yung time nyo talaga, you can check out the Legazpi Sunday Market. Marami ring food choices. Actually, habang tumatagal, parang I'm liking the taste na of matcha. Ayan, pag may dala kayong sasakyan, meron ditong car park. Pay parking. But you can also park on the side. Basta hindi lang siya nakakasagabal sa daan. Pero mahal ng gas ngayon eh. Kala mo talaga may sasakyan. Kung kaya lakarin na lang. Sobrang taas ng gas at mga bilihin ngayon. This is called the Legazpi Active Park. Ayan. Tinatry namin to, yung mover. Electric bike. Tapos kung gusto mo mag-bike around here in Makati, tapos wala kang bike, you can rent out this bike. Just download the Mover app. Siyempre may bayad siya. Hindi kayo pwedeng lumapas sa mga area. May proximity lang siya kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-ikot or mag-bike. And then, pag lumagpas kayo doon, grabe yan, as in, na-try namin yan sa may BGC. Magtutunog siya ng malakas. As in, malakas na parang akala mo, ninakaw mo yung bike. Ganun. As in, nag-iiskandalo yung tunog niya. So, I suggest, check the app kung saan lang kayo, hanggang saan kayo allowed. And then, yung sa pag-drop off, hindi nyo siya basta-basta pwede iwan kung saan-saan. Kailangan nyo siya na dalhin dun sa mga stations niya na merong signage na ganito. Parang ganyan. Biker station or mover station, gano'n. Doon nyo lang siya pwedeng i-drop pagka tapos na kayong gamitin yung bike. Look! So, this is the park. Ayan. So, every weekends, or kahit weekdays nga eh, actually, kung nari lunch break nyo, gano'n, pwede kayo pumunta dito sa mga mini parks nila in Makati. Here, you can just make tambay. Make tambay! Here, pwede kayo magtambay lang. Labas nyo yung kids nyo, yung mga pets nyo, iwa-walk nyo sila dito. It's nice. Yan, yung play area. Yung mga may hawak din ng bulaklak. Ayan, fantasy lang. Kanya-kanyang fantasy, kanya-kanyang trip dito. Walang pakialamanan. Dadala lang sila ng picnic mat, tapos dala ng baon ng pagkain kung ayaw nyong bumili, diba? Tapos picnic kayo with your family, with your kids, at least nakakalabas-labas sila. Meron kayong activity every weekend. Marami mga pumupunta dito na girls every Sunday or Saturday. Bumibili sila ng flowers. Tapos wala lang, fantasy lang, emote, ganda-gandahan. Diba? Di mo kailangan ng occasion or taong magbibigay sa'yo ng flowers. I can buy myself flowers. Sabing ni Miley Cyrus. Anyway, this is the CC Park, Washington CC Park naman. So this is quite bigger than the Legazpi Active Park. Mas maraming puno. And marami din actually mga cats if you're into stray cats. Tapos marami din mga pupuan. makakapag-chill. Sobrang lilim kasi nga ang lalaki ng puno. Ayan, pwede rin kayo mag-badminton with family, with kids. 'Di ba? Ang refreshing, sobrang chill. Para kayong may probinsya sa gitna ng city. So you can just bring your own mat, picnic mat. You can buy some foods in the Sunday market. Tapos food trip kayo dito. Marami ding stray cats. Pwede kayong mag-pet ng mga cats. Malalambing at saka mababait yung mga cats nila dito. Ang bobotsog. Look! Wow, may jungle. Ganon. Yan, tapos may mga koi fish pa. Waiting lang yan sa mga magbibigay ng pagkain. Ang maganda sa kanila, hindi sila aggressive actually. Kunwari kung makain ka, hindi ka naman nila like guguluhin. Tapos, alam mo yon, pahing pagkain, ganon. Hindi ganon. Talagang antayin naman nila kung may magbibigay sa kanila. Kung wala, di okay, tutulog lang. Katulad nito. Hello! Babait naman sila. So just beside the Washington CC Park, ayan, may entrance na for the Sunday market. Actually, this place is parking lot or parking space every weekday. And then pag Sunday, it turns into a market. Wow, ang bango! Sobrang daming pagkain, as in, yeah, they have different cuisines here, from Indonesian food. Ang bango, grabe! Pero I'm not gonna risk it kasi hindi tayo pwede sa sobrang anghang ngayon at oily dahil baka sumama ang tiyan natin. Ayan, they also have squid, fried, ito, ginto, creamery, ice cream. Gusto niyo na medyo putok-batok, they have crabs and shrimp. Yan, mga char siu. I think Chinese food. Meron din namang kainan in the middle. So hanap lang kayo ng kakainan nyo kapag wala nakapwesto. Takoyaki, ang sarap. Vegetable lasagna, and roast beef, German sausage, daing galunggong, baked oyster, seafoods. There's so many seafood choices. Marami din Thai food. Pag bumili kayo dito, pwede naman kayong kumain here. Expect nyo lang guys na medyo mainit, especially if around mga 10 a.m. onwards and it's already 11 a.m. Kung may mga kasama kayong seniors, I think it's best na i-take out nyo na lang or doon nyo kainin sa may park para there's air and comfortable. And also kapag may mga kids din, syempre ayaw nila ng, alam niyo, naiinitan or mabilis sila mairita sa init. If you want Filipino food, longganisa. Shit, ang sarap. May itlog na maalat. Lokban longganisa. Fried rice. Ito, the greater good. If gusto nyo ng luto na pagkain, ayaw nyo na mag-wait, mayroon silang mga cooked food na. There's also food na kailangan pang lutuin and kailangan antayin. So if nagmamadali kayo, it's best to order foods like this na luto na. Yan, you can order foods na niluluto pa. Usually, the waiting time is around 10 to 20 minutes. So, ito yung mga nagbebenta ng flowers. Yung mga nakikita nyo may bit-bit kanina. Kanya-kanyang fantasy. O, diba? So, bibili lang kayo. Wala lang. You just wanna give yourself something nice. And every Saturday and Sunday, marami kang makikita na may bit-bit ng flowers here. Yung isa atin na rose. Rose ba yun? 200 to? So, they have flowers here. It's around 150, tas 200. Gusto ko sanang bumili, kaso naisip ko, pag bumili ako, paano ko siya bibit-bitin? At may mga refreshment drinks din. Perfect for the hot weather, grabe. Bili kayo ng drinks. Buko juice, fruit juice. I think it's around 100 pesos. Yeah, 110 to 130 pesos, depending on the size. And there's also fruits, fresh fruits. May fresh fruits din. Yan. May mangga, may avocado, mangosteen. These are all the prices. 150, 200 sa strawberry, pomelo, suha, atis. Ang laki ng atis. I suggest before going here, mag-withdraw na kayo. Marami namang mga ATM nearby, but if not, most of the stores here accept GCash naman. Mag-cash in na lang kayo and then para at least cashless. GCash, Paymaya, yun yung mga payment nila, method. Original Monster Burger, wow. This one is good too. Masarap din yung burger nila. It's just that medyo matagal yung waiting time kasi syempre niluluto pa yung beef at marami ring umorder. You want fresh seafood. Fresh seafood. And may gulay din. Mostly talaga pumupunta yung mga tao dito para mag-food trip. Bibihira lang yung pumupunta dito para mamalengke. Maybe if you're just living nearby, mga nearby condos here. Yun siguro yung mga nag-grocery or namamalengke dito. Pero mostly, yung iba, bumibisita lang from other cities. Gusto lang mag-food trip. Ayan o, may ribs. Wow. There's also lechon. Nakakainis. American Bulldog, binibenta. Actually, ngayon ko lang nakita yun na may binibentang aso dito. 25,000. Nakakaawa. Kasi parang nasa stress na siya kasi ang dami niya nakikitang tao. Nakaupo lang dun sa may chair, sa monoblock. Yan, if you want some souvenirs or something to display, something very local. Ayan, you can buy some artworks here. Ito, mga upcycled tire inner tube bags. Wow. Galing nga, ang ganda ng quality. Mga recycled daw. Mukhang matibay and makapal. And ito, may mini ukay-ukay. And then, ito, mga apron na gawa sa, alam mo yung ano nung tela ng, or sako ng bigas. Ginawa nilang bags tsaka apron. It's so nice and cute. Yan, they have this. And then, also some, if you want something locally made, pero high quality, ayan, check them out. Ayan, ihaw-ihaw. Syempre, as a Pinoy, bibingka. Yan, puto bongbong. So, di lang siya pang December. All year round siya. Dito sa Makati. Plantita, plantito, if you want some plants. There's also dirty ice cream. Ito, nachos. Fully loaded nachos. Look at that. May mga books kayo na tapos nyo nang mabasa and you're looking for another book to read pero you don't want to spend much. You can leave your book here in exchange of getting a book na pwedeng interested kayo or you haven't read yet. Ito, the pad thai. Here, I tried it. Good din. They have mango sticky rice, binagoongang rice. God, the dog is the... Wala yung aso, B. Atakot yung aso. If magdadala kayo ng aso, guys, make sure na hindi sila magwawala. Kasi, syempre, delikado din. And dapat may leash sila palagi. Always, hawak nyo sila ng maigi yung mga aso nyo para hindi mga away ng ibang aso or makakakagat ng mga tao na kumakain here. Because if anything happens, syempre, salo nyo yung responsibility ng gagawin ng pets nyo. Syempre, dapat may vaccine din. Because you really can't predict the behavior of your pets eh. Paminsan, okay naman sila outdoors, okay sila with so many people, okay sila with other dogs, but sometimes may mga aso sila na hindi trip, mga away, ganon. Nagugulat yung mga tao. And then also make sure din na i-secure nyo yung mga belongings nyo. Although mukha siyang safe, syempre may mga ibang tao na mapangsamantala. Kala mo, kumakain talaga dito, nag-iikot. So, be alert pa rin and watch out for your belongings. So, sa upuan naman guys, pagka uupo kayo, syempre dapat maging ano pa din tayo, respectful and courtesy pa din sa mga nagda-dine in or kumakain. Check nyo lang kung may mga nakaupo, kung may nakaiwan na gamit dun sa mga tables. So, that's it. That's just for the Sunday market. Tadaan! Well, there's a reason kung ba't hindi ako nakabili ng pagkain dito. Una sa lahat, it's overwhelming. Napakaraming choices. Hindi mo alam kung anong uunahin mo or pipiliin mo. Everything is so good. And second, busog pa ako. Nabusog ako doon sa matcha. Oh, there's also one good cafe here. Ito, Curator. Wala lang siyang signage, pero in Carlos Palanca, Makati. They really serve good coffee, I swear. Here in Carlos Palanca, yan, maraming coffee shop dito. So, in case na gusto nyo ng place na matatambayan nyo with friends na like catch up with so many food choices, big breakfast, Pangko Cafe, and then also Brunch Bureau sa tapat. So, both serves coffee rin naman. And then, during the weekdays naman, napadaan kayo dito, tapos o kaya kunwari dito kayo nag-work, tapos nagtitipid kayo, and ayaw nyo kumain sa mga restaurants, syempre kasi diba magkano rin naman yun. Napakaraming Jolly Jeep dito per street. Para siyang karinderya, pero nasa maliit na box or pwesto siya. Maraming mga kumakain ng mga employees or staff dyan sa mga Jolly Jeep na yan. Ito, mahaba pila nito lagi, yung sa Liempo. It's one of the must-tries here sa Makati, yung Jolly Jeep. Some Jolly Jeeps naman open sila even weekends, pero syempre mas konti yung diners compare sa weekdays kasi mas maraming workers na pumapasok or staff. Lutong ulam, nag-range yung mga pagkain nila around, I think 50 to 100 pesos per ulam. Tapos kanin, you can also buy there. Then there's also one na mara-recommend ko, Rada Street. It's called Sisig sa Rada. Masarap din. Mahaba rin ang pila every lunch time ng weekday. Kasi yun din yung isa sa mga kinakainan dito ng mga employees and staff. Biryanis is very new. Based sa mga reviews on Reddit, masarap daw siya. It's authentic. The owner is Indian. Mini stall lang siya sa tabi ng Gringo and Tata Tito. 175. I haven't tried this one, pero siguro one of these days. Tata Tito Filipino food. And then there's also Japanese yakiniku restaurant here. Sicilian roast. These two restaurants, parang medyo high-end siya. This one, Taiwan Kitchen. Okay din yung mga meals niya actually. Meron din silang mga milk tea. And then Xiaolongbao. Their bento meals. Ayan, na-try din namin. As in, sobrang daming laman. Hindi tinipid sa laman. And then this one pala, this is a newly opened restaurant here in Makati. I've tried this twice. Yan, Kaji Ken. Actually, na-post ko na to sa TikTok ko and sa IG ko. The masa soba is so good. They have the masa soba and abura soba. So good, promise. The masa soba, may konting spice lang siya. Pero the abura soba is so rich and creamy. Not spicy at all. Kaji Ken. Hill Street. And if you want to watch my video sa review ko about that, I'll just put the link below. You can check out or watch my TikTok video. And then this is another place here. If you're into healthy foods naman, mga salads, if you're on a keto diet, yan. They have smoothies, and then healthy paninis, and then they also have coffees. I haven't tried this, pero I've tried yung smoothies nila. And talagang lasang gulay di. And then, beside it, kunyari, after nyong mag-work, gusto nyong mag-inom ng konti, relax a bit, or pawala lang ng stress sa trabaho. There's also a mini or resto bar here. May mga beer sila, ayan, 5-in-1 na bucket, pulutan na nachos. Ano lang, pampatulog lang, ganon. There's also Ikinari Steak here. May discount sila na 25% off for Metrobank card holders. If you want something to treat yourself, na-promote kayo, or may achievement kayo sa work, ayan, you can try this once in a while. Ikinari Steak. Taran! Oh, diba? Perfect! Look at the place and the ambience. Nagulat ako na ginawa na nilang parang commercial space. Marami nang nagtayo na, eto, kainan. Yan, Los Chachos and Go Salad. And then there's also pickleball shop here. And then meron ako nakita na parang pet hotel upstairs. And a skin clinic also. Alliance Land Tower na pala siya ngayon. This used to be a Bangko Filipino building. Ni-renovate na lang nila. And then pinalitan yung pangalan into something else. If you walk straight there, meron dong good coffee shop as well, Deuces. Pero mostly kasi punuan siya. Kasi may mga bikers na nag-meet and greet somewhere there in that same street. Sunday morning, yun, medyo puno siya and mahirap mag-dine-in. Tsaka medyo maliit lang yung space niya kasi. Pero kung di naman kayo Sunday pupunta, okay, their coffee is good. And also, the cheesecake is good. I recommend that. Also, yung mga bowls nila, okay din, masarap. And then there's also one coffee shop that I recommend there, which is Nato. Nato is a good spot also. Aesthetic yung vibe, yung place. Coffee is decent. The food is good. Yung mga bowls nila. I think it's not that pricey. So, two coffee shops, Nato and Deuces.
Hands are trembling right now.